Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk EasyYT, the place where we practice English the easy way. If you're new here, I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. We're so happy you're joining us today. Before we jump into today's fun topic, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. We're here every week, helping you improve your English in a friendly, easy way.
That's right. Today, we've got something exciting for you. We're going to practice English with movies. You heard it right, folks. We're using movies to learn new vocabulary, phrases, and even some cool expressions you can use in real life.
Yes, movies are such a fun way to learn English because you hear how people really talk. We'll talk about common movie phrases and help you use them in your own conversations. So grab some popcorn and let's get started.
Let's dive in. Our first movie phrase comes from The Lion King. It's a very popular movie, and there's a phrase in it that you'll hear often in everyday English. It's Hakuna Matata.
Yeah, it sounds funny, but it's actually a phrase in Swahili that means no worries. In English, we use it to say that everything is okay or there's nothing to worry about.
Exactly. It's a very relaxed way of saying, don't worry, everything will be fine. For example, if a friend is nervous about something, you can say, don't worry about it. Hakuna Matata.
I love using this phrase when I'm trying to make someone feel better. Let's repeat it together. Ready? Hakuna Matata.
Good job, everyone. Now, let's keep going. Our next phrase comes from Forrest Gump. One of the most famous lines is, life is like a box of chocolates.
This is a fun one. It means that life is full of surprises. Just like when you open a box of chocolates, you never know which one you'll get. Sometimes life is good, and sometimes it's a little more difficult.
Yes, so you can use this phrase when things don't go as planned. For example, if something unexpected happens, you could say, well, life is like a box of chocolates, and laugh about it. It's a fun way to stay positive.
Right. Let's try saying it together. Life is like a box of chocolates.
Nice work. You're already sounding like a movie star. Now, how about we move on to a phrase from Friends, one of the most popular TV shows in the world. In the show, there's a phrase, could I be any more excited?
This is a fun one. It's a way to show that you're really excited about something. The character Chandler uses it a lot in the show. So if something really good happens, you can say, could I be any more excited, to show how happy you are.
For example, let's say you get your first job interview. You can say, I got the job interview. Could I be any more excited? It's a fun, over-the-top way of showing excitement.
Let's say it together. Ready? Could I be any more excited?
Great job. Now, let's move on to something from The Avengers. This one's a classic. I am Iron Man.
That's one of the most famous lines from the superhero movies. It's simple, but it's powerful. It shows confidence, like saying, I'm in control and I'm ready.
Exactly. You can use it when you feel confident or when you want to say, I'm ready to take on anything. Like, if you're about to do something challenging, you could say, I am Iron Man, and feel super strong.
Let's try it out. Ready? I am Iron Man.
Great. Now, let's take a look at a line from Harry Potter. One of the magical phrases from the movie is, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
This one is fun. It's used when they're about to do something mischievous or playful. Maybe you're going to surprise a friend, or maybe you're up to a little trick. You can say, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good, like you're planning something fun.
Yes, it's like saying, I'm up for a little adventure. But of course, you don't need to use it when you're really being sneaky. It's just a fun way to show excitement about something a little silly.
All right, let's try saying it together. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
Nice! You're doing awesome. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon you'll sound just like a character from your favorite movie. Let's take a quick break from the movie quotes and go over a few more practical ways to use movie phrases in your daily life.
Let's talk about how you can use these phrases in real conversations. So, Hakuna Matata is a relaxed way of saying, don't worry. You can use it with your friends when they are stressing about something. For example, if your friend says, I'm nervous about the exam tomorrow, you can say, Hakuna Matata, you'll do great.
Exactly. And life is like a box of chocolates is perfect when things don't go the way you want. If you plan a picnic but it rains, you can say, wow, life is like a box of chocolates. It helps you stay positive and laugh about things.
Another great way to use "could I be any more excited?" is when you're talking about something you're looking forward to. For example, I got tickets to the concert. Could I be any more excited?
Yes, and don't forget about I am Iron Man. You can use that when you're about to do something challenging, like an important meeting or a big presentation. It'll give you that extra boost of confidence.
Right. And I solemnly swear that I am up to no good can be used in a fun, silly situation. Maybe you're planning a surprise for your friend or trying something new. It's all about being playful and having fun with language.
You did such a great job today. We learned some fun movie phrases that you can use in real conversations. Let's quickly recap what we covered. Hakuna Matata, no worries. Life is like a box of chocolates. Life is full of surprises. Could I be any more excited? Showing lots of excitement. I am Iron Man. Confidence, strength, and readiness. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Playful, mischievous fun.
You're doing awesome. Now, for your challenge, tell us in the comments, which movie phrase are you most excited to try? Is it Hakuna Matata? Life is like a box of chocolates? Or maybe something else? Let us know.
And don't forget to practice these phrases in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Keep it up, and remember, you're improving every day.
Thanks so much for joining us today on Talk EasyYT. We'll be back soon with more fun ways to learn English. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
See you soon, and remember, learning English should be fun. Bye for now.